Government has announced a transition from manual to electronic recruitment in a public service in a move aimed at improving efficiency, transparency, and accountability in the recruitment process. The development was unveiled during a Day 2 training of trainers workshop organized by the Public Service Commission on the online recruitment and appeals management information system, commonly known as ORAMIS. The training, held at the Uganda Institute of Information and Communication Technology in Nakawa, brought together human service officers and other technical personnel who will oversee the rollout of the new digital platform across the country. According to the Public Service Commission, ORAMIS will enable job applicants to submit applications and appeals online, eliminating the need of physical submission of documents and reducing unnecessary movements and direct contact between applicants and recruiting authorities. Speaking at the opening of the training, the Acting Under-Secretary of Public Security Commission and Principal Assistant Secretary, Daniel Niki Utulu, said the Commission is working to equip local governments with the ICT infrastructure required to successfully implement the system, especially districts that currently lack adequate equipment.
Specifically meant to cut down on human contact between the staff of the Commission and the applicants. In that the applications are supposed to be submitted online. Therefore, you don't need to travel to deliver your application physically at the Commission. You just fill a form online and submit, and all the other processes continue without your coming physically to the Commission.
How is
the
it?
only time that you may need to come is when they decide that you need to do some tests, that is aptitude test or competence tests, or during oral interviews. And that one now comes towards the tail end of the recruitment process.
So tell us about the preparedness of the districts. You're going to roll out this system. We know that it is something that needs computers. How prepared are the districts?
Yeah, we did due diligence with the local governments before the rollout plan was finalized, and we have found districts and cities that have basic infrastructure to enable them accommodate this system. But additionally, the Commission will also support them with some equipment to enable them manage the system properly.
Participants at the training welcomed the initiative, describing the system as user-friendly and timely. Senior Human Resource Officer at the Public Service Commission, Katabazi Amon, said the online platform will simplify the recruitment process, improve the management of appeals, and reduce the need for applicants to travel to submit documents or follow-ups on their applications.
So far, that's how much we are recovered by now, because the system, being a new system, we are going slow but surely, so that we really grasp each and everything. Because this is a TOT system, it's a TOT program, the training of trainers, where we have to equip board secretaries at the Public Service Commission who are in charge of recruitment and selection, so that they grasp the system very well. So we are going slowly but surely, so that everything is captured. By the time people are going to the field to train others, they are well conversant with the system.
Officials say the introduction of ORAMIS marks another step in government's ongoing digital transformation agenda aimed at modernizing public service delivery and enhancing transparency in recruitment across both the central government and the local government.
It's called ORAMIS in short, and ORAMIS is online recruitment and appeals management information system. A system that comes after a number of considerations by the Public Service Commission. The Public Service Commission has an oversight role, a constitutional oversight role over all MDAs and districts in regard to recruitment, managing discipline, confirmations, human resource functions. ORAMIS comes after a number of considerations, as I've said, especially during our oversight role. We monitor, support, mentor, and audit performance of districts. And part of the functions is stakeholder engagements, regional stakeholder engagements, where we go to the field and interface with different district service commissions from different regions. Now, out of that oversight role, it was established as a matter of urgency that we need a system to manage the volume of work in the districts, especially managing applications. The current situation is applications are handled manually. Hard paper applications, physical delivery of applications to district service commissions. So during our performance audit function, it was realized that district service commissions are worn out by during managing those applications. The volumes, the number of people who are applying for jobs in the service are way too many to be handled by a single, for example, district service commission secretary, and a lot of other things, managing submissions, internal submissions, declaring positions, internal adverts, then appeals handling. By our establishment, we handle appeals from districts and agencies, MDAs, arising out of human resource functions. When someone is aggrieved of any factor during the recruitments, they appeal to us.